Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show Snapchat not working problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Open on Google Play Store, search Snapchat app, update Snapchat app if available on Play Store. Go to phone setting, search Snapchat, tap on Snapchat, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, tap on clear cache. Swipe down notification panel, tap on flight mode, turn on flight mode just few seconds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.